Crash Course on Guyana. Geolocation. Guyana is a country located on the northeastern coast of South America, bordered by Venezuela to the west, Brazil to the south, Suriname to the east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the north. Capital. The capital city of Guyana is Georgetown. Population. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the population of Guyana was approximately 800,000 people. Economy. Guyana's economy is primarily based on agriculture, mining, and natural resources. The country is rich in natural resources, including gold, bauxite, timber, and oil. With recent oil discoveries, Guyana has the potential for significant economic growth and development. Education. Education in Guyana is free and compulsory for children between the ages of 5 and 16. The country has made efforts to improve access to education and achieve high literacy rates. However, challenges such as limited resources and quality education in remote areas remain. Brief history. Guyana has a diverse history that includes indigenous settlements, European colonization by the Dutch, and later British control. The country gained independence from the United Kingdom in 1966. Guyana has faced challenges related to political instability, racial tensions, and territorial disputes. Culture. Guyanese culture is a blend of indigenous, African, Indian, Chinese, and European influences. The country's cultural diversity is reflected in its traditions, language, English being the official language, music, dance, and cuisine. Notable cultural celebrations include Mashramani, Diwali, and Fagwa. Politics. Guyana is a democratic republic with a multi-party system. The political landscape has been shaped by various political parties and ethnic representation. In recent years, Guyana has experienced political transitions and efforts to strengthen democratic institutions. Interesting stories/examples. One fascinating aspect of Guyana is the Cutoff Falls, one of the world's largest single-drop waterfalls. Located in Cutoff National Park, it offers a breathtaking spectacle as the Patero River plunges over the edge into a gorge below. Top 12 attractions of Guyana. 1. Cutoff Falls. Witness the majestic beauty of Cutoff Falls, a natural wonder surrounded by pristine rainforest. 2. Iwokrama Rainforest. Explore the vast wilderness of this protected rainforest, home to diverse flora and fauna, including jaguars, giant river otters, and numerous bird species. 3. Shell Beach. Visit the picturesque Shell Beach, known for its abundance of seashells, nesting sea turtles, and vibrant bird life. 4. Conacu Mountains. Hike through the Conacu Mountains, a range of rolling hills and dense forests, teeming with wildlife and offering stunning panoramic views. 5. Georgetown. Discover the capital city, Georgetown, with its colonial architecture, bustling markets, and a rich blend of cultures. 6. Essequibo River. Cruise along the Essequibo River, the largest river in Guyana, and witness the lush rainforest and remote indigenous villages. 7. Rupununi Savanna. Immerse yourself in the vast Rupununi Savanna, a grassland region known for its diverse wildlife, cattle ranches, and traditional indigenous communities. 8. Hiking Mount Roraima. Embark on an adventurous trek to the summit of Mount Roraima, a flat-topped mountain with unique rock formations and breathtaking views. 9. Arrow Point Nature Resort. Experience ecotourism at Arrow Point Nature Resort, where you can enjoy kayaking, wildlife spotting, and immerse yourself in the beauty of the surrounding rainforest. 10. Bardaca. Explore the town of Bardaca, located at the confluence of the Essequibo, Mazaruni, and Cuyuni rivers. Known for its vibrant riverside culture, gold mining history, and access to natural wonders. Summary. Guyana, located on the northeastern coast of South America, is a country known for its diverse culture, rich natural resources, and potential for economic growth. Its economy relies on agriculture, mining, and recently discovered oil reserves. Education is free and compulsory, although challenges in access and quality education remain. Guyana's history encompasses indigenous settlements, European colonization, and independence from the United Kingdom. The country's cultural diversity is reflected in its traditions, music, dance, and cuisine. Guyana is a democratic republic with a multi-party system. Top attractions include Kayatur Falls, Iwokrama Rainforest, Georgetown, and the Rupununi Savannah. From pristine waterfalls to vast rainforests, Guyana offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural experiences. In the heart of Guyana, where wonders lie. A land of beauty beneath the sky. From Kayatur's Falls, a majestic cascade, to rainforests, where nature's serenade. Kayatur, a spectacle so grand, where waters plunge into the land. Iwokrama's rainforest, vibrant and lush. A sanctuary for life, a rhythmic hush. Shell Beach, adorned with seashells bright. Nesting turtles under moon's soft light. Konaku Mountains, where trails wind. Revealing nature's treasures, one of a kind. Georgetown, a city with a soul. Colonial charm, a story to unfold. Essequibo River, flowing and wide. A journey through nature's serene stride. Rupununi Savannah, vast and wide. With wildlife roaming by your side. Mount Roraima, a peak to ascend. A rocky wonder, where dreams transcend. Arrow Point Nature Resort, a place to be. In the embrace of nature, wild and free. Bartika's rivers, flowing and strong. A tapestry of culture, where memories belong. Guyana, a land of diverse embrace. Where cultures merge with nature's grace. Let's explore its beauty, let's embark. In this enchanting country, where wonders spark. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support RN Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.